Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. Alright, so here it is, it's all finished. I added the wing in the up position, also the attachment back here. Added a little bit more weathering from last time I had a video. So just using some pastels, I made some smoke effects, some darkening in these areas. Also the engine cowling a little bit there. This is a separate piece. And I got the interior green on the inside of it. Decent detail in the cockpit. Propeller, got all of the decals on there. Good to go on that. Used a lot of super glue here in the final stages, just to be sure about everything, getting the wing up here. This piece here, I found that, super glue is good. You need some good tweezers to work on those. The wheels too, super glue on those. Took all of the masking off of all of the windows. More pastels, for effects on the bottom there. Easy line for the antenna wire. I painted a couple of the pieces white and sealed it with a dull varnish. Just from photos I kind of noticed there was something there, so I added those. And before I took off the mask, I just used a dull coat testers, and that worked out really well. I put 2 coats on there, I believe, and we're all set. So I had a lot of fun building this. It's not a perfect kit, but it's a very good kit for the amount that you pay for. My biggest gripe about the finished airplane is, the cockpit detail isn't the greatest. There was a couple other things, like I couldn't figure out what color to paint this piece back here. I don't think it was marked anywhere. Yeah, so I mean, the fit itself was great. I think I only used some minor putty in some areas. Everything went together very well. If you just do the wings down like this, and even if you have the landing gear up, this is a great beginner's kit. But I think a beginner could put it together, no problem. Even if they wanted the landing gear down and all of that. That was my mistake. Trying to put the landing gear in after I painted, after I had everything assembled, but I was able to get it taken care of eventually, so I'm happy to have overcome that. But if you decide to build this, these wheels will not go in after you seal the 2 fuselage halves, so you either have to mask it if you're gonna airbrush it or find some other way. So just a little heads up there. But I'm really happy that I went with having the wing up. I just think it looks very unique, very, very different. And another thing I like about the Airfix kit is you can have these flaps in up position. I noticed that in the pictures where they're up, the ailerons are up in the photos, so I was glad I could replicate that. But this is what we got here. Had a lot of fun building it, had a lot of fun making videos and showing you guys what was going on. And I think I'd like to do this again. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to do a full build video of this one. But to everybody that followed along, I really appreciate it. I got a lot of great advice, a lot of nice comments, and I just want to say thank you. And I'll always remember this as the model that I built during this crazy time of ours. So for that, I wanted to put a little special effort into it, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be talking to you guys real soon. I'll have some more content coming, but this is Joe from Joe K Models. Take care.